Digital Asset Holdings, the company behind the Canton Network, is in advanced talks to raise about $300 million at a valuation of roughly $2 billion. Andreessen Horowitz's crypto arm, A16Z Crypto, is expected to lead the round. This would be the largest funding round in the firm's history and marks a fresh bet on institutional blockchain infrastructure from one of crypto's largest VCs. Founded in 2014, Digital Asset built its reputation by selling privacy-enabled blockchain technology to banks, exchanges, and clearinghouses. In 2023, the company launched the Canton Network, a Layer 1 chain specifically designed for capital markets. Unlike public chains like Ethereum, Canton allows financial institutions to tokenize and settle assets while keeping transaction details visible only to the counterparties involved. The network operates as a network of networks through what its developers call the Global Synchronizer, a decentralized layer that connects previously siloed systems without the need for bridges or central intermediaries. Canton already supports bonds, treasuries, money market funds, repos, mortgages, and other real-world assets. Live deployments. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And pilots include DTCC, HSBC, Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Börse, Broadridge, HKEX, and Euroclear. Canton's native utility token, Canton Coin, CC, currently sits at a market cap of roughly $6 billion. A16Z Crypto closed its fifth fund at $2.2 billion earlier this month, giving the firm fresh capital at a moment when tokenized treasuries, deposits, and money market products are pulling in flows from major names in finance. Canton fits squarely into this trend, as it offers compliance and privacy features that public chains typically lack. The funding raise could signal broader institutional adoption of blockchain infrastructure tailored for financial markets. The Canton Network's approach to privacy and compliance may appeal to institutions that are hesitant to use public chains due to transparency concerns. The global synchronizer mechanism is a key differentiator, allowing for interoperability between otherwise isolated financial systems. This could lead to broader adoption of tokenized assets in capital markets, where settlement speed and data privacy are critical. The involvement of A16Z Crypto, a leading venture capital firm in the crypto space, lends credibility to the Canton Network's vision and execution. The firm has a track record of backing high-impact projects in the blockchain space, and its investment could bring more attention and resources to the Canton Network's development and expansion. However, the success of the funding round will depend on the execution of the Canton Network's roadmap and the continued interest in tokenized financial products. The market cap of Canton Coin suggests that there is already institutional interest in the project, but most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Tokens' performance will also be influenced by the broader crypto market and macroeconomic factors. The next signal to watch is whether the funding round closes as expected and how the Canton Network plans to allocate the raised capital. Investors will be looking for clarity on the use of funds, potential new partnerships, and progress on the network's deployment with financial institutions. The broader trend of tokenized assets gaining traction in capital markets could also influence the Canton Network's adoption and the performance of Canton Coin.